of the given equation. So we got 4 cosine square minus 4 cosine plus 1 equals 0. So square means this is a quadratic equation. Okay, you can think this is like 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So when we solve this quadratic equation, we can always use the quadratic formula, but if it factors, then that's faster. Let's factor this. Okay, and we can write that over there. So 4x squared, that's 2x times 2x. 4x squared, 1 is 1 times 1 to get negative, so negative negative. If we look at closely, is this correct? If we FOIL, yeah, this is correct. So 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. We are getting the same thing. Quantity square equals 0. So if we come back here and then we copy this information, x is cosine theta. So this will be 2 cosine theta minus 1, 2x minus 1 square, because we get the same copy equals 0. Okay, now we can solve for theta from here. So let me erase this one. So you can always get help of easier function. So square means take square root both sides. This square has no contribution, so it's simply 2 cosine theta minus 1 equals, take a square root of both sides, is 0. Now isolate cosine theta. So add 1 both sides, divide by 2. So 1 divided by 2. Now we can find the value of theta. Okay, and we know that cosine and sine values repeat after 2 pi. Right? We can add 2 pi, 2 times 2, 4 pi, 6 pi, or we can subtract 2 pi, subtract 4 pi, etc. So 1 over 2 cosine is positive in first and fourth quadrant. So cosine is 1/2 where? 60 degrees, a pi over 3. And we write 2 pi k or 2k pi. So review the previous 3 examples. Okay, this is like 4th example. So, and in fourth quadrant, what is the value? Pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. If you look at the unit circle, cosine of 5 pi over 3 is 1/2 and 2k pi. Okay. So you wanna, after this one to this one, you wanna review the previous examples. So here same thing, we want to factor, because square means this is like 2x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. If we factor, 2x squared means 2x times 2x, 1 is 1 times 1. Now we want to get negative, so 2x times 1, so negative here plus here. If you FOIL, you're going to get this one. Okay, so this is how it factors. So this one, then 2x plus 1 is 2 sine theta plus 1, x minus 1 sine theta minus 1 equals 0. Okay, factoring this, we get this one. And we know that when we have a product equals 0, either first one 0 or second one 0. So here 2 sine theta plus 1 equals 0, or sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So from here we isolate sine theta, then isolate theta. Subtract 1 from both sides, then divide by 2. That means sine theta equals negative 1 over 2. Okay, subtract 1, divide by 2. Here sine theta equals, add 1 both sides. Okay, now we are ready to find theta. So you need to review the previous 3 examples. So from this step, it should not be difficult. So sine theta equals negative 1/2 where? So sine is negative in, if you do ASTC, Sine is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So that would be in the first quadrant. If you look at, sine is y coordinate, right? So pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, it will be 7 pi over 6 in the third quadrant. 7 pi over 6, and we add multiples of 2 pi, so 2k pi. And in the fourth, 11 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Okay, thus that here sine theta is 1 at 90 degree, so theta is pi over 2 plus, we can repeat multiples of pi, 2k pi. So from here to here, just review previous 3 examples. So these all, this one, this one, and this one are solutions. So you can write maybe this one is the smallest, pi over 2 plus 2k pi, 7 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Okay, I'm just listing in one place. 11 pi over 6 plus 2k pi, where k is any integer, positive or negative.